Hi, it's Lee. Hope you're doing well. Happy Saturday. What's up to Gabbie, Roseanna, Louise, Marco, Ramakant, William, Jacqueline, Zenobia. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. Daniel, Louise, and Pamela, and Mr. Frank. That's right. Hope you're doing well. Just putting a face to the name, getting you to know Lee. We're going to get you all the info on the solar program. State funded. Most common question is what happens if we move or sell the home. Just transfers over to the new homeowners. Just like a trash bill, a water bill, a gas bill. It just transfers right over. Any other questions you have? Every home is different. Every electric usage is different. Everyone has a different number of people living in the home. There's so many different variables. But we're going to give you all the info. We'll leave the decision making up to you, and we'll get you that information in the shortest period of time possible. If you have not already, please send us a picture of the bar graph or the table on your electric bill, because that's the roadmap to your savings. And I don't really have anything else to tell you other than you pay nothing, you get everything, and helps the environment, obviously. You save money right away, depending if you need a roof or not. If you do need a roof or an electrical panel upgrade or, I don't know, a generator, we can include all of that in this whole deal. And text us any questions that you have. My phone number, you have it, 917-282-6285. Happy Saturday. Have a great weekend. Thank you, and we'll be in touch. Thank you again to Gabbie, Roseanna, Louise, Marco, Ramakant, William, Jacqueline, Zenobia, Daniel, Louise, and Pamela and Frank. Thank you. All right, we'll be in touch. Bye now.